so much splendor. Praise you, God, like what shall I render? Who is like you? There's no contender. I give you my all, to you I surrender. No words that are fitting to describe you. Searched all around and there's really none like you. How am I supposed to describe the creator of the universe in a 16-bar verse? Like where do I start with the one who begins and ends? The one who life itself depends. Let me try here. Look. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone.
Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you. Much less, my God, nobody can contest your greatness. You're the greatest. As great as you are so loving and kind. I sing praises to you most high. I am that I am, I glorify. I praise you forever and ever and ever and ever. God of the universe, so loving, you put me first, you put me first. All I see is you. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. I see God in the beautiful rose. I see God in the musical notes. I see God in the rising sun. I see God in everyone. Father, you are the greatest. Unto you I sing praises. Nobody else compares to you. Never change through the ages. You are always so gracious. Nobody else compares to you.
I can't explain this feeling. I can't explain this kind of love. I've got my hands to the ceiling. If no be you, there's no one, God. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje. I can't explain this love and can't explain this feeling. Your love is so amazing, love to drive me crazy. Chukwa mamo, okwa give me relief for mamo. Chukwa mamo, anytime I call you, they answer me. So I they prostrate too. If not be you, I for them frustrate too. See my life as I did jubilate too. If not be you, I for them frustrate too. I can't explain this feeling. I can't explain this kind of love. Your love is so amazing. If no be you, there's no one else. I can't explain this feeling. I can't explain this kind of love. I've got my hands to the ceiling. If no be you, there's no one else. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje. See how she love me, Jeje. Your love they do me, Jeje.
I never loved you then, but I'ma love you now. I'ma take my chance and no go turn back round. Who am I without you? Who am I without you? My God, rewind us back in time. You're the one that I'll choose, my God. Love me, I need you to love me out. Love me, how your blood has cleansed my soul. Love me, I need you to love me out. Love me, how your blood
she love me, you love to do me, You wrap me in your warm embrace. You wrap me in your warm embrace. Yeah, my father, I'm grateful that you call me your own.
Yo, chat, what's up, chat? How you guys doing, man? Happy Friday, gang. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Drop the energies in the chat. Drop the message. Drop the emojis, whatever. Let's go.
Yeah, but as long as the sun rises, I'll keep on running. You have the final word. All I see is you. Yeah, you're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah, you came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. When the storms keep raging on, I close my eyes, cause that's the way I can hear your voice. And I shut my mind from all the troubles that just may come, yeah. And I trust your word, cause that's the way I keep holding on and on. Oh, but as long as the sun rises, I'll keep on running. You have the final word. Oh, all I see is you. Yeah, you're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah, you came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. You've made me whole again. You've made me whole again. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry. You wrap me in your arms. You wrap me in your warm embrace. All I see is you. Yeah, you're bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah, you came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. All I see is you, oh God, only you. You're bigger than any situation. Bigger than any situation. Even when I thought it was over, yeah, you came and wrapped me in your arms. You wrapped me in your warm embrace. Don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. You made me whole again. You made me whole again. I don't have to cry no more. Don't have to cry no more. Yeah, you wrap me in your warm embrace.
Yo, what's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? What's up? What's up? Welcome to a live stream here, gang. What's up? Yes, I did.
Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion?
All right, chat. How you guys doing, man? Welcome to a brand new day here, gang. What's up? So daily time frame yesterday have a good rally, huh? Good rally here. Who got the buys yesterday there, chat? So I didn't take any trades yesterday because the daily time frame yesterday meltdown already, and I don't want to take buy because of we have a bearish move, and I don't expect this rally towards to the upside here on the 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame. This recovery was crazy, but it's still bearish on the wick here. I'm still bearish on the wick. So there is too many possibility that the next candle will drive down this daily candle, right? No top wick on the daily. So yeah, man. How you guys doing, chat? Before we do the top down analysis here, um, how you guys doing, man? Shout out to 22 viewers right now. Shout out, Aaron Beredo, JC, what's up? What's up, everyone? How you guys doing? How you guys doing, man? Yup, yup. All right, chat. Are you guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the top down analysis here. Type ready in the chat, gang. Let's go. All right. Let's have a look on the monthly time frame here. So monthly time frame, we still have 14 days and 14 hours left and enable for this candle to close. But if this candle close bearish, there is a high chance that you know the next the next month candle will pop down towards to the downside here to retest this low. Basically, it's all about candles price action, right? Um, so monthly is still bearish for me, and the weekly still bearish. We have range here, as you can see. You have your resistance here, your support is here. Once this candle close tonight with the um below the range, below of support, man, there is a high chance that the next week candle will pop down towards to the downside here. But on the next week candle, you need to see top wick first before driving down here, right? To retest this low, 3050 zone, this zone. So yeah, I'm pretty bearish for the day too. I'm pretty bearish for the week. And on the next week, if this candle close below the range, man, the next week I'm still looking for sells because of close below the range, right? But in buys, you need, if I want to take buys, I want to take buys on the support, right? If I see some sort of support tapping on the zone, rejecting on the zone, yeah, from there I'm probably gonna take buy. On the daily time frame here, it's interesting because we close without top wick here on the closure. That's why this candle starting to react now, right? So if you see that the candles are pushing towards to the upside, and then the candle close without top wick, and you're gonna anticipate that the next candle will drive down further, or you will see that candles close doji, or close like this and then bullish probably like this after creating a top wick, a bottom wick. So this is gonna happen today, or let's see if there's news. We have news later on tonight, 6 p.m. But I don't think this news will give a lot of impact into the market. I don't believe on prelim um this news. But I believe on the NYSE Open will give you direction for the day. But I'm still bearish because of the weekly and then the daily yes, you re-break the high on the daily time frame here. It's good. Once you push further down, you will see move. Once you re-break, once you go to the support on the daily time frame, you will see move towards to the downside. But on the 4 hour time frame here, we're creating some sort of market structure. As you can see, we're still bearish on the 4 hour here. 4 hour, we move here. This is the high, and then probably this is the low. Oh, this is the low. This is the high. This is the low. This is the high. This is the low. And then now you respect the structure here. So once you respect the structure here, you have resistance here. You didn't close any closure there. So you see that there is 4 hour bearish closure, and then you have clean traffic towards to the left hand side here. Man, probably on the next open of the 4 hour candle will pop down, right? If there is a volume here, will pop down like this. So if you close doji or close like that, it's fine, but the next candle will pop down to refill the range on the left because you have clean traffic, right? You have clean traffic there, and then the price still bearish for the day. Weekly still bearish. For our you have sort of structure. You're in the resistance zone area, so it's okay to sell. But in the lower time frame here, it's gonna be a little bit choppy because of the lower time frame. You have minor support level right here, support level right here, support. So yeah, you need to see volume. You need to see candle close below the range enable for you to take sell, right? But on the 30 minutes time frame, it's a little bit clean here. As you can see, we have clean traffic on the left hand side. This is a little bit clean. How many pip range? So you have 360 pip range here, but the daily is trying to drive up. Sorry, the 30 minutes trying to drive up here. 30 seconds for the 15 close. So yeah, I don't know if the 30 will pops up towards to the upside because you have clean traffic on the left, right? And yeah, 30, your resistance up here, 52 pip. Probably I don't want to take buy. I don't want to take that buy, even though you have clean traffic. I want to take the sells. I want to follow the trend. So yeah, man. If you have any questions, chat, you can drop in the chat. And yeah. So let's see. Once you close below, have 72. Okay. So I'm gonna put my support here. Any closure below here, it's good for selling. Right? So yeah, man. For buys, probably up here. Need to break the structure for buys right here. All right. So any closure below, you have 70 pip move. So yeah, chat, this is my levels so far. And no top wick closure on the 15. If you want to take buy, be careful or on this zone. Right, the 30 minutes still open here. As you can see, bearish closure on the price, on the candles. So in the 15, it's gonna be a little bit tricky here because no top wick. So be careful if you're taking buys there, right? So yeah. Shout out to 30 viewers right now. If you have any questions, make sure you like the stream, subs to the channel. Let's end the week with the profit. Yeah. How many of you guys got the buys here yesterday, chat? How many of you guys? Man, this is a 1,000 pip move. Yeah, 1,300 pip move. Even though you buy here after the support form, 1,100 pip. Crazy. Crazy recovery. Crazy, crazy, crazy. This is the good thing on price action chat because you have clean range, you have massive clean range, but you just need to wait for the for the price to close, for the candles to close, and able for you to take the trade. Right? As you can see, you have clean traffic on buys, but the problem here, no top wick closure. So if you no top wick closure, you don't have range to fill up. You're probably gonna wait for the next candle. Massive range on price here. 210 pips. But highly likely next week, probably the next week candle will, once this weekly candle close below this wick fail, is gonna be the wick fail here on the price. Minimum, chat, minimum. Right, this wick fail is gonna be the wick fail. Wick candles gonna be the wick fail, and then topping, probably once you top once again here, you're probably gonna see some reactions. But if the price continue dropping here like this, and the next zone, you will see reactions probably below this support level on price weekly. Minimum here, you will see reaction here. once you don't see reaction, you're gonna react on 3028 zone. No closure on 1 hour here. Once you close below, yeah, probably gonna see some drops here. You grab orders up here. See popping down. I don't think if we're gonna move today, this time on the London session. I don't think so, chat. I don't think we're gonna move. Today's Friday, yeah. Massive move on price yesterday, huh? Chat, if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Will you plan to take trade? Yeah, if there's any setup, I'm gonna take trades, but I wanna see some close below the range first. Once we see close below the range, candle movement, I'm probably gonna take some sells here. Chat, make sure you like the stream. All right, like the stream and subs to the channel. Can you explain again the important? Okay. So, for example, as you can see, the daily candle, right? The daily candle, no top wick, right? Close without top wick. So, the meaning of that, if the candle close without top wick here, or like this, the next candle has no range to drive up like this, right? Because wicks is equals support and resistance, right? Once you cut there, you don't close any range here, so you don't have range to fill up. So probably on the next candle, we'll start to hover here, close probably doji or close bearish, heavy bearish after you create a top wick here like this. Does it make sense? That's the really important of candle close without top wick, right? It's really hard to trade the candle close without top wick. If you're in buys here on this, it's really hard to take buys here because no top wick closure. Anything can happen on this current candle. Anything can happen on that. Anything can melt anytime any session, anytime any news or 6 p.m. news will pop down because you don't have top wick on the candle close. That's really tricky. That's why I don't wanna take on the buys here on the 15 because no top wick closure here. Right? As you can see, no range. It didn't go up. Now it's retracing now. Once you re-break the lows here, you will see pops down towards to the downside now. Once you see re-break of the low, you will see pop down minimum here. That's how you gonna study the candles. Right? And on the price, bearish closure, heavy bearish closure, so you cannot take buys there. The reason that probably taking buys here because you have clean traffic, but the problem, you don't have closure on the price. That's why no buys. All right, re-break now. 4 minutes on the close. Oh, late candle probably on the 1 hour late candle. But once you see close below the range here, that's nice. That was nice. For hours still open. You re-break the low. You still have 1 hour left. You filled the wick already. Yeah, you probably level for sure. I believe this 70 pip move, 70 range before support. Once we close below, we have 60, 70 pip range. Two minutes. 2 minutes for the close. One minute for closure. Can we close below? Sure. In 30 minutes, close below, but you have minor support level here. And wanna see close in the 15 because we have structure here. It's pretty tough once didn't close below. And impulse trade is don't want to take the impulse, but close below 80 pip, 84 pip stops. Once we see close, I want to see top wick here, and we're gonna use probably the current candle top wick for stops. The stop loss up here. Yeah, 3 seconds here. Top wick and re-break of the low. Once you re-break there, you see move. No top wick, no bueno for me. All right, there you go. Spike down now. Minimum here. 13 pip. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky for sells here because no closure below, right? So on the impulse, it's a little bit tough for me because no top wick. I want to see top wick for the stops, right? Once you create top wick here, then you flip, you re-break of the low, our stop loss probably up here. We're gonna use the current stop high, and then once you re-break the low, that's the entry, and then pops down. But we didn't create top wick. Now it's really tricky here. Probably react here and then push up further. But if you take some sells here, good job. You got the sells 15 pips. No bueno for me. This good because 1 hour closure too. Below the range, 30 minutes close below the range, but I like to see the 15 candles structure. Oh, yan na. Nag-drop na ng W. Oh. That's a quick one, bro, huh? 22 pip. How much you got there? Right. Pop down, 20 pip. No problem, no problem. W. W, no probs. Doing good, bro. Doing good. How are you? How are you? How are you? How are you? W. How are you, my brother? Reacting on the minor support. So minor support level here on price. I'm reacting here. Didn't close below. Re-break of the 4 once again here. Once you re-break the candle here, you will see pops. No volume here, gang. No buenos. No buenos. Give me a second here. Who got the cells there, chat? Who got the impulse shenanigans here? Flip bullish, flip bearish. Right. Now once you re-break, man. Re-break. Re-break. Push further now. Push further now. No Benos for me, gang. No Beno. All right. Drop now. Drop. 45 beep. Very nice. Who took this cells, chat? Who took the cells? Drop in the chat, gang. If you got the cells, drop in the chat. Who got the cells here? No one got the cells, huh? Who else got the cells? Breakout. Probably the next candle pops down to waiting with you. Wow, patience, bro. Good job. Wow, man. How many pip now? Wow, 60 pip drop. Cool. All right. Still dropping here. Ooh. Spike, 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 chat. Holy gold. Wow. Holy man. 80 pip drop. 80 pip. Probably the next candle pops down here. 3190 zone. Still dropping. Boom. Holy gold. Like a news chat. Holy man. 100 pip drop. If you got the cells, W's in the chat. Now this is the tricky part, yeah, because once we see that close below the range, right? We see this candle close below the range, but the problem here is this candle melt already, so we cannot take sales here on the next candle, right? As you can see, melt already. Where you gonna put your stops up here? Because this is the previous structure, right? You cannot put your stops here, even though this is invalid for me. Once we put the stops up here, right? It's really hard to put the stops here. Anything can happen here. Anything can react, anything can push up further up. So yeah. But what we need to do is to adapt, right? For the next time, probably if there's a volume here, we don't I don't see this, impulse. I don't like the impulse trade on the price here because we have support level on the price. So anything can react here and push it up. But the good thing we have volume, that's why the price pushed down. But we keep on patience today, chat. If you got the sales, man, congratulations, W. Right? I told you guys the daily no top wick here. Anything can happen. Anything can drop here. The weekly is still bearish here. The good thing we're gonna close below the range. The 30 minutes still dropping here. Even though we have move here, this move is just a correction move to push down further down. Yeah, W's WWW. Probably brother Aaron. Probably gonna get how much you get today, huh? 5,000 US dollar. How much? 5K minimum? 2K? Withdraw na. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Reacted here. Man, reacted on the dot here, gang. See this minor resistance on the price. Previous resistance. Oh, oof. Yeah, on the price here, I don't think we're gonna have a rally move here. I don't think if we can have a rally. I don't think. But if you wanna take more sales here, you need to wait for retracement here now, right? Like sort of support and then wait for resistance once again, and then take the sell after the resistance form. 30 minutes. Mhm. So if I use the 1 hour there, man, we got, but the stop's big. The stop's here. Uh-uh. in 3 minutes here. 15 is retracing. 30 minutes. Gonna have a wick fill. But I wanna see top wick. When we see top wick, that's straight. Two minutes, chat. Oh, let's see here. I wanna see this close. At least. And then top wick to fill the range. Let's see, let's see. No top wick once again, close on the 15. No bueno. 30 minutes flipping. I don't like the close of the 30, chat. I don't like that. So yeah, man. No top wick on the price. 15. Cool. Can you push further up? Cha, I'm taking sell here right now, chat. Taking sell here. No topic on the price on the 15. So probably gonna take sell, but it stops probably I'm gonna keep here on this structure. 37 pip or 40 pip stops here. 40 pip stops. Right? So no topic on the price, and then 30 minutes you're topping the minor support level there. I'm gonna take the sells. And full TP here in the wick fill. Alright. Once this candle flip, I'm gonna probably manage the risk. 12 pip now. Alright. Flip. Alright, moving stops to break even here. And closing up of the position. I pick 12 pips here. So yeah, man. Let's see if this melt down here. Double is in the chat, gang. If you got the trades there. 19 pip now. Cool. Let's see if this is gonna melt. Five flip bullish once again. My stop is in a break even now, alright? So if you wanna put your stops in the BE, you can put now. Alright, BE hit here. I picked 12 pips here. I managed the risk. I managed the trade. But we picked 12 pips here, man. That's fine. That's the trade, gang. Sells plus 12 pips. 40 wins on stream. W, man. 40 wins on stream. W. You didn't react heavy here. I thought it will melt down here. But yeah. $12 pips. Yeah, weak entries. London, 12:30 p.m. That's his rate, Chad. That's his rate. So yeah, BE. No Benoski, man. Didn't push through, gang. Didn't push through. That's the props. Didn't push through. Didn't push through. Ranges are getting big. Nice. No top, we close once again on the 15. Very nice. You close too much. No top wick. Chat, this zone is once you see some resistance form here. Any resistance form, take the sell on the next candle here. Chat, that's all for me today, chat. Gonna see you guys next week, all right? Next week, gonna see you guys next week. So, yeah, man, that's the trade. That's our trade. 12 pips for me. I took the 12. Probably gonna call it a day because I don't like the volume now. No volume. And the 1 hour start to react now. 30 minutes. I don't know. But yeah, man, it's Friday, chat. So see you guys next week, right? Love and wisdom to you all, man. I'm out here. Peace, peace, peace.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion?
Chat, don't overtrade, right? Don't overtrade, don't over race, man. See you on Monday, right? Peace, peace. Out.
When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I want to lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. We was sort of like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you were a champion? When it feel like living's harder than dying. For me, giving up's way harder than trying. Lauryn Hill said her heart was in Zion. I wish her heart still was in rhyming.